Hello, Mr.
Hello, Mr. God.
Yeah,
There's no time.
Good morning, Mr. Akamura. It's a pleasure to finally can meet you in this ABC profession.
Good morning, Mr. John. Welcome to Japan. We appreciate your visit.
We have prepared the proposal draft your request.
Thank you very much. Let's begin.
And our proposal focus on the expanding your product line in the Asian market. The ABC Corporation will take care of the logistics and the marketing.
Yes, I see. Very interesting.
We believe this partnership will increase both of our market shares.
Yes, I understand.
And now let's move to the contract terms. We suggest a 30-day billing cycle and 50-50 profit sharing.
Yes, we can consider that.
Yes, that's great. So we are in agreement.
No, agreement confirmed.
Yes, we will check the details later.
That meeting went well. We agreed to everything, and we will send the final contract tomorrow.
Are you sure? Mr. Akamura did not clearly say I agree.
He not every time. That's a yes in any language.
Hello, the client from America, Mr. John, spoke very fast. He thought we agreed, but we still have concerns about the payment and profit sharing.
Hello, Mr.
Hello, Mr. John.
Yeah.
There's no time.
Okay, Mr. Akamura, I was surprised by your email. During our meeting, you nodded at every point.
Yes, Mr. John. In Japan, nodding means I understand, not always I agree.
Oh, yes, I see. I completely misunderstand. I appreciate your clarification now.
No problem. We respect your enthusiasm. Let's take time to reach a true agreement. Thank you.
And now I can learn some lesson. When doing business international, we don't assume mean the same thing in every culture.
Yes, cross-cultural understanding is the key to successful communication.
Exactly. Next time, I will confirm every agreement verbally and in a writing too.